Yeah, hi. My name is Monika, and I'm from India. I'm specifically from North India, and this is my second seminar I attended for EBBS. First was in Sofia, Bulgaria, and then now it's in Istanbul. So both the places are good. Istanbul, especially, is a very beautiful country to visit because it's a tourist place. And if I'll talk about the meetings of EBBS, I mean the seminars, they're really very nice. You happen to meet different countries. I mean, these universities, the schools from different countries. You can make contracts with them. You can have, one-to-one meetings. You can have more information. You meet the representatives of the school, and you can have more information about the school. So it becomes very easy to work with them. So I really like it very much, and I plan to attend all the seminars that EBBS conducts in the future, and I want to thank the team. Thank you very much.